Good morning guys, and welcome to season 7 of ILB TV. That means we have been running for 7 years on our YouTube channel, doing these vlogs. The start wasn't really vlogs, but still season 7. This weekend we are going to Ultimate Dubs. We're taking the E28, we're taking the van, we're taking all these guys. Today is going to be like a classic travel vlog. So yeah, stick about if you want to see the E28 driving through Scotland. We're taking the Stena Line over to Cairnryan, driving down through Scotland, down past Manchester and down into Telford. So it's going to be a long day.
24-hour champagne diet, spilling while I'm sipping. I encourage.
Hi, McPeak.
You to try it.
Think it's gonna make it this far, James?
It's done well.
It's very dark in here.
Done well. First leg of the journey complete. Well, I haven't actually made that one to the boat, but I reckon I'll be hassle free.
Motherfucking man, I just want you to see. Come take a look. Get a load of this nigga. Quit front.
I'll ask you a question.
Yeah.
How do you feel about this highway maintenance car potentially?
Pretty sporty like.
Take a look. Get a
Do you want to explain the situation? The situation is that we were waiting on some lanyards arriving from China, and the lovely little lady in China didn't send them on time, so they just arrived at the office. So Lewis just drove over here because it's only 2 seconds away. The lovely gentlemen in Stena Line have let Callum walk through to get the box to bring it in. So we're just waiting on him coming through this door here. Oh, there he is! Some job. Where would you get it? Where would you get it? Cheers.
on me, don't come around and try and gas me up. I like running on E. I'm on my Disney shit, goofy flow. On records, I'm Captain Hook, and my new car is Rufio. Damn, where my roof just go?
Hi. We're hoping to get the Stena Plus so the rest of the guys can't get in, because I think there's limited spaces.
Hi, we have a cabin here.
So up on deck 10, that's where they're located, and you're right at the end of the corridor, suite 5.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Damn, where my roof just go?
Vlog squad, enough. Is this your first time at Stena Plus?
No.
It's not?
No, it's not.
When have you been here before?
I went to fit it.
Oh, do we, you know, that's awkward. Can I do that again? You say yes?
Yeah.
Is this your first time at Stena Plus? What are you drinking?
Pepsi to the max.
Nice.
Talking while you come around and now they silent. Through the Cooper 17, no guidance.
Sunday?
Hope there's sun.
They ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin'.
What do you think?
I love Stena Line. I wouldn't go with any of those other boats.
Here.
Pure Nordic spa.
There's a full spa on the ship. Holy. Here. That's a bit of me, that. Look at this chair now.
We don't have to go back there, other guys do we?
I don't think that's actually the pillow you used, Jim.
That's for under your feet. Just make sure that you don't. That woman sitting at that desk 100% heard everything we were doing. 100% like.
What were we doing?
Just play it.
Just playing? Ah, card guys, get the cards out. Stena Line have a deal. 2 packs for $5. 1 pack for $4.50. Which deal you go for? I went for the extra 50p. Yeah, that looks high def, like.
Looks confusing, to be honest.
High def.
Wouldn't be the biggest gambler.
You got £10 in the bank.
Did I?
You stuck tenner in.
That's me.
Yeah.
I have no idea.
Hit collect it. Collect it.
How much did you put in?
I'm fine.
What do you mean? You want a tenner?
You're gonna have to instant replay that, like, cause I have no idea what's happening. We pound for you. We pound for you.
Oh, thank you, mate.
We pound for you. We pound for you. And a pound for you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Here, there's another guy.
Oh, and a pound for you.
Right, so me and James are in the shop. We see something a little. Oh yeah. Well, look, we're about to open them now and have a play. Here we go.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing Jay Pizzle.
Tell me why you using me. Tell me, please. I couldn't like hands and soap. Get a meat lady drag on the floor. It's a nine in the bed that I told. Working hard, we ain't having no hope. Bitch on the man, we know advance. Give my nigga a chance. Tryna see what he gon' do. He done ran on the bands. I done got me some bands too. I can trip on the ground too. So my hood let it down too. I can't decide. This foreign car, I'm a ride. The phantom roast body is mine. I made the boy bleed like the watch. I put some more rocks in the watch. Get a finger to the cops. Begins the world like Tupac. Get the wrong work that you shot.
But they're good. Made it to the car wash. It's look better, like. Remember what you said to me before we came?
What?
You'd be surprised if she made it.
What the hell is that? What is that? It doesn't taste too bad, but he's always like, oh Rob brought the stumpies, brought the stumpies.
If Jordan Poole was here with his BMW, this is what he would be doing. You hear him shouting? Because he agrees. So we have arrived at Telford, took the E28 to a jet wash to rinse all the salt off it. Robbie and Jay slept basically the whole journey, and then now they're awake, they think they're great crack. So plan is, take the E28, it's going to sleep outside tonight. It's the first time it's actually stayed outside in like months and months and months and months and months. Give it a wash in the morning, set up tomorrow. Time to go to the bar.
Call you a bitch, that's cause you're my bitch. And as long as someone else calls you a bitch, then it won't be no problem.